Hello everyone! I have come with a nice viral math problem. If you want, you can find answer yourself first. You can write it in the comment. Let's start. We will give you two different solutions. Let's start with first solution. Parenthesis 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now subtraction 10 minus 20 equals negative 10. Now division, negative 10 divided 2 equals negative 5. Last multiplication, negative 5 times 5 equals negative 25. If you solve the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because we should have paid attention to the order of operation. The order of operation is coded as PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis, A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. If we have another rule, there is no order in multiplication and division. Operations are done from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction no orders. Operations are done from left to right. Okay, now let's solve the equation according rule. First, parenthesis 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now, subtraction, division, multiplication. First, division and multiplication. Left to right. Division. When you divide 2 equals 10. Now, multiplication. 10 times 5 equals 50. Finally, subtraction. 10 minus 50 equals negative 40. Correct answer will be negative 40. Great job! Today we learned the wrong answer and correct answer and the rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. We reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video.